Good morning, everybody, to everyone that watches the Red Dirt Bass Bros. It is 2024. It is about 5:30 a.m. local time, and if you can tell in the background, you can tell we are somewhere else. We are at the fishing capital of the world, as they say, Florida. And while we're out here in Florida, we decided to link up with a fishing guide. He's going to take us out. He's going to find us some good juicy bass for us, and we're going to hopefully get hooked on some good ones for you guys.
We're going to need all our strength to catch these Florida bass that I've been hearing so much about.
Yes. Excuse me, my alarm's going off. But let's get on our way. It's a little chilly at the lake, at the boat ramp. I think it's like 49 degrees. You see our breath. Get on and get going here. Wipe your feet.
I was hoping that Florida sunshine would come out.
Yesterday afternoon it got nice.
Yeah.
Morning. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Good hook set.
Almost 40 years of practice on that. First Florida bass. Big. Well, he felt bigger.
Come right out.
Completely. Number two for you.
Number two.
That's pretty.
Kicking your ass.
Yeah, you are.
He said he's having a bad day.
It's like I ate a banana or something this morning, but I didn't, I swear. So, me 0, Dom got 2. He's happy.
Right to you. A little bit more. Nice. Perfect hook job. Thank you.
Oh my God.
Get him in, man. Get him in. Oh, wow. Looked like he gave up already.
Wow. BB.
Look at that. Got it?
Got it.
Have this.
Yeah.
What do you call that?
You need to get up on that back deck there. I'm gonna take a picture.
How's that feel?
Man.
Even I'm shaking.
For a while.
Camera.
Alright, they released that monster back into the Florida wildlife.
Wow.
Unbelievable. Come on, look alive, buddy.
You alright?
Yeah, he's just still tired.
We have a good fight.
There you go.
Off he goes. How's that feel?
Feels great. Beautiful bass. That was worth it.
After great. Now it's got to be my
Definitely
turn to get one. Let's see if I can pull it off today, guys. There we go.
There. Keep your rod up. We don't want him diving down in that grass.
No. You got a little grass with this one.
Hey, he went in the grass on there.
A little bigger than my other one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. My second Florida bass. A little bigger than my first one. A little chunky guy right here. Awesome. At least you get back to the wild you go. A little beat up, but still kicking. Thanks for the good time, buddy. Yeah. Come on.
Oh, he missed it again. Oh, there he is.
We're getting all this on film too.
Oh, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, that looks like a bigger one there.
Smaller.
We're getting smaller.
All right, so we're back in Texas. We did not film the ending out there when we got done fishing. We just went straight back to vacation mode and started having fun, living life. That's what you got to do, you know, live life. Life's always about work, 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 and grind all day, this and that, and you just wear yourself out and burn yourself out. So we just went and let loose and had some good times in Orlando, Florida. First time going to Florida for Dom. He loved it. He wants to go back. Anyways, we just want to give a shout out to Zac FADDEN and Captain Phil Hartman for getting us in at FISHORLANDOBASS. If you're looking to get a fishing guide down in Central Florida, Orlando area in particular, hook up with these guys. The link is right there. Actually, the website is like right there. So FISHORLANDO.com. They'll get you hooked up on some good sized bass. We thank you guys for watching this video. We hope to see y'all soon. Actually, we will see y'all soon because we are planning to do lots of fishing this year. I cannot speak this morning. It's too early. I think the coffee's got me all jittery and all happy and giddy right now. I'm excited. Life is good. Happy right now. And I like that. So anyways, live life. Be good. Y'all stay safe. We'll see y'all soon.